Hey there. For Module 2, Assignment 1, you are working on your problem-solving skills. Pretty much all through Module 2, we're working on problem-solving, computational thinking, okay? So you get to choose which of these questions would you like to answer. Should St. Mary's County invest in a new high school, or is the Chesapeake Bay healthy? Pick your interest area. Go ahead and download the Word document, and you are going to see your activity. So you are looking for data. Data is information, right? It doesn't always have to be numbers. In this case, it can be numbers. Should St. Mary's County invest in a new high school? You have to think about some key factors in that, right? What are some key factors in deciding should St. Mary's invest in a new high school? First of all, how many high schools are there? Are we building a lot in our community? What are the enrollment capabilities for the high school? What are the current enrollment numbers for the high school, right? Ideal class sizes. Those are all sorts of problem-solving questions for should St. Mary's invest in a new high school. We're not talking about funding for that, just looking at numbers for students and what's best for them. So what you're going to do is think, what are some good search terms? Maybe student enrollment. Maybe St. Mary's County Public Schools, period. You can see the different high schools that we have, right? So your source of data, where are you getting your information from? If you are going to a reputable website, go ahead and put that name of that reputable website here. How data is collected. How did you get your information? So if the work has already been done for you, and I'm giving you a very strong hint that that work is done for you. It is out there. With just a few keystrokes, you will find this information. So how is that data collected? How did you get your information? Excuse me. You could certainly say that it's from a web search, but you might consider how the people who did the work got the data. What do you think? This is an educated guess, okay? You don't have to spend 20 minutes thinking about it. Just give a good guess on where you think the data has come from. And then how is the data used? So look at the chart or the table that you find from your search and figure out how can you use that data to make an informed decision.